Bring him from the yard.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today I have for you my first closed invitational build. We're going to be building 33 Willys Coupes. Even the theme is Street Rod or Gasser. It's the builder's choice. There are a few other people involved with this and me that I've contacted privately. Ron at SoMo Diecast, Cole at Coupes Diecast Customs, 2HD Cat, Mike at Mike's Mods and Customs, and Jay at Jay's Diecast Creations, and also my good friend Paul at Diecast Graveyard, and myself. The release date for these videos will be June 25th, and I hope y'all stick around and come see how everybody does on their builds. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I'll see you next time.